So you might be wondering, how do you exactly set up your HyperX Cloud 3 in your PC? Well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just decide how you connect it. Now the Cloud 3 works wired via the 3.5mm jack or the USB sound card included in the box. Now use the USB or the PC on PC for clear audio and mic control. Now for PC, you want to connect the headset to the USB sound card, then plug that into your computer for console or controller. Plug the 3.5mm cable directly in and you should hear sound immediately. Now, on Windows, you want to go to your sound settings and set HyperX Cloud 3 as both the output and the input device. Now, this makes sure games and chat uses the headset and not laptop speakers or desktop speakers. Now, you want to go and just plug the detachable mic into the headset and bend it so it sits 2 to 3 centimeters from your mouth, slightly off to the side. But this gives clear voice without popping or breathing noise. Now, also, you may want to check the inline controls, so use the inline remote to adjust volume and make sure the mic mute switch is off. If people can't hear you, this is the first thing to double check. Now, you want to go just play a video or a game to confirm sound, then test the mic in Windows Sound, and then you want to go to input test or in your game's voice chat. Now, if the mic bar moves, you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.